Okay. Jump Chef, here I am. Panama Peg here, your host. We're gonna make dog treats, but you can also eat them. They're so good, all the dogs are hanging out. Okay, so first thing we do is 3 bananas. You chop them up real good. Okay, you chop them up like this. 3 bananas. You chop them up. I call them swooshing. I guess it could be kind of swooshing. Anyways, we do the tomato, the bananas like this. Chop them up. And then we put in a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And then we put in oats. Da-da-da! So I already chopped up the oats in my little swoosher machine. Da-da-da! And then we put in the peanut butter. Da. We put in a half a cup. Okay? So 1 and 2. This will be half a cup. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. So then you just mix it all up together. It's really easy to do. You can have this as a snack or for the dogs. So here we go. So once you're finished, it looks like this. And then you put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. Real easy to do. So there's no sugar, nothing. The only sugar is in the little peanut butter, a little bit that we put in there. So all you need is a fork and a swooshing machine, unless you can find ground up oatmeal. If you can find ground up oatmeal, then it's easy to do. You just need 2 cups. Okay, and then you put it on a platter, real easy, and then it comes out like this. Da-da-da. Oh, do we have some guests? Would you like a piece? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! My dogs love it. So there you go. An easy recipe for Jump Chef, Panama Peg 11. Welcome back. Hope you're having a great week, and we'll see you next week. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll do something cool. Anyways, so we see you soon. Ciao for now. And